Ah! Jeez, oh man. Ow! Oh boy, but ow, ow, ow! Oh, what happened there? I did not expect to hit you that hard. You know, that wasn't too bad. Welcome to another video. This week I don't have to give you a long intro because past Justin did a great job explaining everything while I was doing the racing. I don't know how I managed that because this was leader outside the cone, so there was a lot of tight racing. I was battling basically every second of the races. One thing to mention though, in the second race, you may notice that I switched the graphics around. Somehow one of the wires for my camera got slightly in front of the bottom left of the camera, and it was kind of annoying me being in the way, so I just kind of decided to put the rear camera over it. So you may see it pop out a little bit, but it's better than having it in the frame for most of the race. So if you like what you see, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. If you want to know when new videos drop, make sure to follow me on my socials. You can check out the link tree in my video details. It'll have all of my socials. You can follow me everywhere. But you know, do whatever you want. Have a good one. All right, we are back for a challenge night. Doing a little quick one because there was a corporate event beforehand, so we're doing kind of a simple thing, but we're testing out a new version of leader outside the cones, where I think is a good idea. Now, when we hit the last 2 laps, we'd stop doing the leader outside the cones part, and we just race. And I think that is a great idea. It's still there's still randomness obviously involved in the race, but I think that kind of mitigates part of it. So I need to get in there, Clay. Go. I'm gonna get, if I stay on the outside, I'm gonna get filed all the way back. Wow. So if I haven't oh my god, who is hitting me back there? If I haven't explained what the format is, basically there's cone sections on the track, and every time that the leader hits one of those sections, they have to take it. Okay. All right, guys. Okay. So everything is really bunched up. Ow! Come on, guys. Let's go. This cart definitely had a noise when I first pulled out, so who knows what is going on with it, but it seems like it might be a little slow. Ah! Jeez, oh man. Ah! Son of a beasting. That's not good. Oh, goodness. So, hopefully, yeah, please push me, Garrett. Please push me, because I think it's a little slow. And the seatbelt is coming up into my armpits, okay? The brake is also a little not. It takes a lot of brake pedal to actually stop, is what I'll say. Oh my gosh, what is Dennis doing up there? Stop pushing me! Stop pushing me, guys! Jesus. Ah! Dang it, Brian. You're pushing me through that turn. Oh, leader outside the cones is always wild. Stop pushing me through the... God, Brian, please. Ah! It is crazy right now. Yes, thank you, Drew. Thank you, Drew. Thank you. Yes, please put space between me and Brian, please. What is happening? This is the wildness of leader outside the cones. Even though I have a slow cart, I have now somehow... Stop pushing me! Now, all the way up in the first place. Oh, good, but now we're going to lose a lot of places, that's for sure. Okay, maybe not so many. Maybe not so many. Oh. Man, people are very pushy tonight, I'll say that.
I have a long... Oh my... This seatbelt is killing me. It's all the way up on my throat. All right, now... Okay. Oh, what a time to have a slow kart. At least I'm in first. That's good. That's good. Okay, last 2 laps. Okay. So we stopped doing the leader section now. So this is white flag. This is white flag. I love leader outside the cones. It's the best format. Let's go. It's all skill. You heard it here first. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, wow. You know, my completely unbiased opinion is that's a better format. All right. Well, we're here for another leader outside the cones race. Let's see how this goes. I have nothing else profound to say at the moment. Okay, here we go. Ow! Okay, all right, okay. Oh man, I slid and lost a lot of momentum there. Oh boy, ow! Watch out, brother. You gotta watch out there. That could have been really bad. Oh goodness. Okay, we made it though. We made it. We're all good. We're all good. It's a tight situation. I think I did lose a little traction there. Oh yeah, I have my tires are a little cooked. Okay. Yeah, tires are a little cooked. Okay, a little cooked. Okay. Here we go. All right, here we go. Man, the good thing about leader outside the cones, I'll tell you what, it is always bunched up. And you always have a chance. So, we love that. That could have been bad. It's a good thing I got good reflexes. Come on, let's go. Okay, all right. Good reflexes, bud. I saw you coming for me. That was good reflexes. Wow. It's okay. All right. Lost a few spaces. Okay, not too bad. Could have been worse. What happened there? I did not expect to hit you that hard at that moment, Garrett. I don't know what happened up there. Oh, my bad. It was a very unexpected situation. All right. Ow! People are hitting me and pushing me all over the place. Oh boy, we got a gaggle of people behind me, that's for sure. We got a gaggle of people. No, I want you to give me the two left to go flag here, okay? Okay. How about the 2 left to go flag? Can we get the 2 left flag? How about a little 2 left flag? Wait, okay, so is that the... So we're doing the thing? Ah! Let's go. Okay, we did the one left to go flag. Let's go.